Yes, see guys, this is Konkan. I am in my native place. See what sceneries are here. What greenery and sceneries. Wow. Yes, you can see it's a big lawn and everywhere greenery because it's just a rainy season has passed and it's a really good atmosphere here. You can see the valleys, the Sahyadri ranges, the Sahyadri mountains and hills around me, and I'm in the deep valley. Okay, from four sides there are mountains, ranges, mountains. Yes. Wow, क्या बात है. See, you can see. वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है.